Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active Gemini API key, VO2 client or HTTP tooling, and JSON-ready payloads. First, set headers for authorization bearer and content type as application/JSON so requests authenticate and parse correctly. Then, create a basic post to the VO2 endpoint with your minimal payload fields. Keep the body small to validate connectivity. Once done, inspect status and response body to ensure the API accepts your key and returns a 200-level status. You now build full requests. Include VO2 required fields and any model or prompt parameters. This controls behavior and cost. For long outputs, enable streaming to process partial frames and update UI progressively because it reduces memory and latency. Make your client resilient. Add retries with exponential backoff and idempotency keys to avoid duplicate actions. Also validate responses against expected schema, so you can detect truncated or malformed frames early and recover cleanly. You finish by validating outputs against your acceptance criteria and instrumenting logs for both request and response payloads, so debugging is straightforward. Next, monitor quota and error rates and set alerts for sudden 4xx or 5xx increases to catch regressions quickly. If issues persist, simplify the payload to isolate the problem, rotate the API key to rule out credential problems, and replay the failing request locally. One key troubleshooting tip: when things fail, reduce complexity and reproduce with a minimal post to identify.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.